Everybody likes going to the beach. But what happens if you come to the beach and say that there is litter everywhere? You can see plastic bags, drink cans, food wrappers, and even some toys forgotten by their owners. All these can be called the marine litter. Unfortunately, the marine litter not only spoils the amazing view of the beach, but it also puts such animals as sea lions, sea turtles, and seals in danger. We all enjoy the warm weather and possibility of sunbathing on the beach. But will you be glad to see some trash near you when you go to the place of your rest? To talk about this problem, you need some words. Beach ball. Большой надувной мяч. Block. Блокировать. Bucket. Ведерко. Confuse. Смущать, приводить в замешательство. Curious. Любопытный. Digestive system. Пищеварительная система. Dolphin. Дельфин. Drain. Канализация. Drink can. Алюминиевая банка. Endangered species. Вымирающие виды. Enemy. Враг. Examine. Изучать, обследовать. Fisherman. Рыбак. Food wrapper. Оберточная бумага для пищевых продуктов. Horrible. Ужасный, противный. Injury. Повреждение, вред. Jellyfish. Медуза. Likely. Возможный, вероятный. Mammal. Млекопитающее. Marine litter. Морской мусор. Organize. Организовывать. Propeller. Винт. Sand. Песок. Sea lion. Морской лев. Sea turtle. Морская черепаха. Seal. Тюлень, морской котик. Solution. Решение. Spade. Лопата. Stop. Останавливать. Threaten. Угрожать. Toy. Игрушка. Fill up. Заполнять.